Let me ask, does your ISUZU NPR have a broken glove box latch? Maybe you keep it taped shut just like this, or my personal favorite is sheetrock screws to hold it closed. Well, the ISUZU is an awesome truck, probably the best in class, but it's not perfect just like anything else. But here's a 2019 with a broken glove box, and I want to show you how to fix it. Without getting technical, here's the little part that always breaks right there. This one is good to go, but we're going to replace it anyways. This repair is so simple. Here's all the parts you need, but honestly, that one receiver that we showed you first is probably all you're really going to use. As I said, this latch up here on top, it looks perfectly fine, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. Why not? Then we're going to get this other little plastic screw on the other side until this thing falls right off. Now I'm working one-handed, but the new latch is already going into place. With that done, all we need to do is pop out this little receiver with the flathead screwdriver. It comes out pretty easy. And right here, we try to give you a close-up right as it pops out. See that? It's pretty simple. Now, as we pop the new one in, don't make the dumb mistake that I did and put it in upside down. Because when you do, you go to shut the glove box door, and what do you know? It doesn't work. You're back to where you started. So back in with the screwdriver we go. We're going to pop this thing out real quick, pull it out there, turn it over, and try it again. And I promise you, if you're not holding a phone in your hand, this is literally a 2-minute repair. And just like that, it's fixed. Our glove box is working again. And of course, if this has helped you, please hit that like, subscribe, share, ask me a question in the comments. I'd love to get back with you. My name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.